Is your cam belt due a change in your camper van? If so, you really need to watch this vlog. Hi, I'm Ellie and I travel around the country in our camper van Merlin with my husband Graham, my better half and our 3 little dogs. Unfortunately, Merlin has reached his 5th birthday, which means he needs his cam belt done. And what a nightmare that has proved to be. If your cam belt needs doing, you really do need to watch this vlog because it explains quite a lot about how we actually managed to get the job done and to get it done well and at a brilliant price. So keep watching and I'll hand you over to my better half.
Thanks, Ellie. As you've just heard, we've had our campervan Merlin for 5 years and we now need to do the dreaded cam belt. Our camper is a Fiat Ducato CV40, but this vlog may be useful to anyone who needs their cam belt replaced and doesn't want to do it themselves. In addition to the cam belt, it's widely recognised as good to do the water pump at the same time, all of which adds to the cost of the job. So I was after a price for both. A few months ago I started calling around getting quotes like any normal person would. First, I tried our local HGV garage. You know, the kind of garage that hopefully give you a fair deal. In fact, it's the one I've used a few times before for Merlin's service and for work on our previous motorhome. They come back with £1,400 and they also reserve the right to charge more if the problems were encountered, if any extra problems were encountered. And I was like, okay, that's already more than I expected. So I thought I would try asking a Fiat professional dealer. I was a bit confused with these guys as they were very keen to put me in, but not as keen to give me a price. They told me that they would let me know when they started work and could see what was needed. After a few phone calls backwards and forwards, they did phone me back with a price of £1,550. Things were definitely going in the wrong direction. At that point I'm thinking, am I driving a Ferrari? And nobody told me. I had read on the CV Users Facebook group that others were finding garages charging around £800, including doing the water pump and all the parts. So I clearly needed to find a better option. So I set about doing some serious searching. This included garages in the Bristol area. I came across Otto's garage in Avonmouth. I originally wanted a place a bit closer to me, but these guys were offering to pick up from my home and deliver back, so that interested me. Reviews from previous customers were really good. As soon as I called the company, they seemed keen to help and to do the work. I dealt with a chap called Florin who had a good understanding of what was needed, and he immediately told me what they could do for me and how much it would cost. And they also offered some dates to do it. The icing on the cake was the pick up and deliver back service. So how did it all work out? Well, they gave me a time slot to pick up early one morning and they turned up slap bang in the middle of the said time. We had a quick chat to confirm what I needed, although they obviously already knew the detail. Then off they went and took Merlin with them. It's not far from our house to over the border into England and around to Avonmouth. Here's Merlin arriving at their garage and into their workshop. I think they must have started work immediately because by mid-morning they'd sent me this video of progress, followed by pictures and more videos. It was very reassuring to know they were on it. I'm not too sure what's going on in these shots, but it all looks very complicated. I think the water coming out there is supposed to be happening. I hope so anyway. And you can hear the workshop music blasting out. I hope I don't get a strike.
There's your old water pump in there. The old belt is out.
Well, they got the new cam belt in and the water pump, so they're just putting them all back together now. Here's some more shots they did for me. A few people had said, do it yourself, it's really easy. I'm glad I never. They also did a full service for me. The next thing for Merlin is his MOT. For those not in the UK, this test is a Ministry of Transport annual legal safety and emissions test. It's required in the UK for all vehicles over 3 years old. Vehicles that don't pass this test are not allowed to drive on public roads. My dashcam gave me some interesting footage of the MOT computer screens. However, I am unable to show you that, as the garage has told me they are not allowed to show that. So I am respecting their request to delete that footage. But good news, Merlin passed this test with flying colours. That's now one thing I don't have to worry about for another year. Well, it's the next day and all of the work is finished, and the guys are just getting ready to drive Merlin back to us. So that shouldn't take them very long to get here, drop it off. So I thought I'd better give you the costs, because I've explained what the estimates from Fiat and that to do the work. But let me go through what I actually did pay. So their total charge, and bear in mind the estimate I got from Fiat was £1,550, but that was just for the cam belt and the water pump. But these guys have charged me £1,050, but that's for the timing belt and the water pump, but also a full service and the MOT test fee. So I think that's pretty good. That's a good saving. I've no idea what the Fiat price would have been with the full service and the MOT on top of that. Probably £1,900 to close to £2,000 maybe. Oh look, we're just coming over the Prince of Wales Bridge, so they'll be here shortly. Yeah, so I thought that was very good. If you want to use these guys, if you've got a cam belt coming up soon, I'd strongly recommend them, especially if you're in the Bristol Avonmouth area. They'll come and pick up and deliver back to you. So I'll put their phone number up on the screen, and yeah, I think that's all you need to know, isn't it? So thanks very much for watching, and hope it's been interesting for you. So take care, and we'll see you soon. Bye.